This expertly crafted proprietary blend of essential oils and cold pressed seeds are designed to be your go to for a true inside out approach to aging, vitality, overall wellness, and quite frankly, how to get that glow. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's Yarrow Pom Essential Oil Blend, and this is an active botanical nutritive duo. That's a tongue twister, but it's also really good for your body, so let's just talk about that. All right, so the common uses are topical, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internal. The Yarrow Pom benefits are that it promotes powerful antioxidant, cellular, immune, and nervous system support. That's a lot of benefits right there. And it also calms your body and mind and is soothing to the skin. It's also a little bit thicker and has a blue-like color similar to blue tansy, but the difference between Yarrow Pom is that you can take it internally, which is huge. And so the directions for use are you can add 2 to 3 drops in a veggie capsule and drink with water. You can also put a drop on the top of your hand and lick it right off and then rub your tongue on the roof of your mouth, or you can dilute with fractionated coconut oil or FCO and apply to your reflex points, typically on the bottoms of your feet, big toe, as well as palms of your hands, or you can add it to your skincare routine with that fractionated coconut oil morning and night as some more options there. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you got some value out of today's video. Hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out those links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.